how to join meeting on Skype. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can join meeting on Skype. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you can do is install and launch your Skype application, and make sure that you create your account and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you can see this kind of interface. So first I'll show you how you can create a meeting. To do that, just tap on this video icon which is around at the top right side of the screen, just besides of notifications icon. Just tap on it and you can see this two kinds of options. And to start a meeting, just tap on start new meeting and you will be able to start a meeting on Skype. And what you have to do is just copy this link. To share this link to others or your friends, what you can do is simply tap on this link, or you can tap on the share icon, and you will be able to share your link on social platforms and also on your messages. So just do that, share your link, and you will be able to start a meeting. Now to join a link, what you need to do is just tap on this join with link, just tap on it, and now you have to type on the link or paste the link here and then tap on join, and you will be able to join a meeting on Skype. So I hope it was very easy. So it's very easy, just copy your link and paste it here and tap on join, and you'll be able to join a meeting on Skype. So I hope it was very easy. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.